Brought to you by Baby Lock, for the love of sewing. Sulky Threads. Express yourself with Sulky and create with confidence.
Welcome to Quiltmakers Block Network. I'm Eileen Fowler from Quiltmaker Magazine, and today I'm going to show you the 3D split rail fence block number 564, designed by Kathy Brown for Quiltmakers 100 Blocks Volume 6. For this 12-inch piece block, you're going to need 3 fabrics, assorted fabrics in purple, like I have here, and you'll need a background fabric, which is this pink fabric. The dimensions for these patches will be seen on your screen. This block is ideal for using pre-cut strips, like these Bally Pops, because they're all 2.5 inches wide, which is the width you'll need for these strips. So these strips are cut 2.5 inches by 6.5 inches. If you don't want to use pre-cut strips, you can use just 2.5 inch strips from what fabrics you do want to use. Okay, let's start by showing you how you're going to make these blocks 3-dimensional. Start with a 2.5 by 6.5 inch strip from your assorted purples. You're going to want to fold the strip in half lengthwise, matching the raw edges like this. You're going to want to take this strip, line it up on the raw edge of your background piece, and you're going to want to stitch 1/8 of an inch from these raw edges. And what you'll get is a unit that looks like this with a fold. That's your 3D. To make your block, you'll want to make 12 of these units, and you'll want to sew 3 of them together to make a quadrant of the block. You want to sew 2 of those together with the strips going vertical on this side, horizontal on this side, and you'll want to sew the bottom half in the same way. Sew the top to the bottom, and this is your finished block. Here are a couple of variations of the block. For this unit, we have some simple decorative stitching going down the pink patch. I also used more of the strips from the Bally packs. There's a variety of different pinks that are in here, and a variety of different patches for the darker strips of the purples in this one. This is an example of the original block in a block setting. You can see that's 3 blocks across, 3 blocks down, and this is what it would look like. If we rearranged the quadrants of the block a little differently, we could get something like this, where 2 of the quadrants are horizontal, 2 of the quadrants are vertical, and then repeating that throughout the quilt. The 3D split rail fence block and 99 other fun blocks are available in Quiltmakers 100 Blocks Volume 6. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you'll join us again soon on Quiltmakers Block Network. We pick the fabrics and we discuss what fabrics will look good, and we figure out, I don't know what we do. What do we do? You really want to know? You really want to know? Okay.